Hi, I'm Anupam Tiwari. I'm head of equity for Groww Mutual Fund. I've been in the mutual fund industry for almost now 20 years and in stock markets for almost 25 years. In my career, I have managed funds across market cap, large caps, small caps and multi caps. And right now I manage all the funds for Groww Mutual Fund. Today we are going to discuss about Groww Large-Cap Fund. Let's start with our broader philosophy to manage money and to construct portfolios across our funds. So there are three main pillars for our investment philosophy, which is quality, growth and valuation, and what we call is QGARP, quality and growth at reasonable price. What we believe is that quality and growth are two most important ingredients for creating wealth in a stock market. In addition to this, valuation becomes very important to ensure that we keep on creating good compounding and good investors' wealth in our funds. Hence, our sizing and positioning in portfolios is decided by keeping in mind valuation. When we say quality, let's try to understand what does it mean. Quality is basically the quality of management or promoters and quality of business. Quality of management and their capability becomes very, very important in creating shareholder wealth. Hence, we filter our stocks on these factors, try to understand their corporate governance standards, their execution track record, their capability, and then only include those stocks into our universe. In addition to this, growth is another factor which is very, very important for shareholder value creation. Hence, we look at businesses which are a scalable businesses model who generate good ROE and cash flows so that their growth is sustainable. Once we have filtered stocks based on these two criteria, then we come to valuation. So we keep in mind that we are not owning very highly overvalued stocks, and at an appropriate time we are churning stocks with much more attractive stocks, either within the sector or in other sectors. Now coming to large cap fund, in large cap fund we apply a top down and bottom up approach, a blend of top down and bottom up approach. So in top down process, we try to find out the sectors where we are seeing higher growth or we are seeing relatively undervaluation. So we know that in large caps there are always sector rotations happening, and hence we align our thought process with respect to where the relative valuation with respect to or in context of growth is looking attractive. So in this top down approach we decide our sectoral allocation, and then with bottom up approach we select stocks within those sectors to create a optimized portfolio. We keep in mind that we are changing our portfolio according to the cycle of the market, and key factor for that is earning growth or relative earning growth within the context of valuation. So for us, in case of large cap funds, the earning upgrade downgrade cycle and relative valuation becomes a very, very important factor in addition to our broad philosophy of quality and growth. Large cap funds are generally very good for investors who are looking at less volatile products. And especially large caps companies are very, very stable. They have good balance sheets. Majority of them are generally debt free, and they have a very known discovered track record. So they become little more predictable as compared to, let's say, mid and small caps. And it is also good for investors who have, let's say, 2 to 3 year time horizon. Now let's try to understand what could be the good method for investing in these funds. The best way to invest for those people who have regular monthly income is through SIPs. And given the current situation where markets are slightly volatile because of global events, I would recommend that SIP is the best mode for investing in Groww Large Cap Fund. Thank you very much for listening to us. That's all from my side.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.